Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering on the LG TV and grabbing the remote. Make sure the remote responds. Once done, press the settings gear or home, then settings to open the menu. Navigate straight to sound or audio. This is where the controls live. You need to know whether your TV uses sound mode, speaker settings, or an external audio output because that determines the next steps. If you see auto volume, keep it in mind for later adjustments. You now pick the specific audio control, select sound mode or speaker settings. If you want silence, choose mute or set TV speaker to off. Choosing external speaker routes sound to an HDMI ARC or optical device instead. Make sure to pick the correct output when you have a soundbar, set HDMI ARC or optical as active. Once switched, volume buttons may control the external device instead. Test by pressing volume down to confirm audio is off on the TV itself. Finish by testing the change. Press mute then unmute and use the volume keys to verify the TV's speaker is silent. If sound persists, restart the TV to ensure settings apply, and check that HDMI or optical cables are fully seated. If audio keeps coming from the TV, reset audio settings to defaults and redo the switch to TV speaker off or external speaker. Troubleshooting tip: if you still hear sound, unplug external devices one at a time to isolate the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.